Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Well, by golly, I tell you what, you know, they always say if you don't like the weather in Arkansas, you just need to wait a little bit and it'll change. Well, by golly, it's hard to believe just a couple of days ago, Wanda and I were out camping. And we decided to come home a day early, and I'm glad we did, because as you can see, we got us about a good 8 or 10 inches of snow out here. And of course it started out as freezing rain, and man, it just laid a bunch of trees and stuff over, and we lost our power at about 5 o'clock last night, and we're still out of power. So of course you can hear my little generator running in the background. Yeah, it's my little Yamaha generator there, 6300 watt. It keeps a few lights and things going in the house there, so we at least ain't stumbling around in the dark. Yeah, she's quiet. Yeah, I got a few cords strung out here on the floor so we can run a few lights and things. Of course our furnace won't run, so I've got us an infrared heater. Of course we're on natural gas, so that kind of keeps the house warm. Dogs seem to be all tore up about it. Hey, y'all over at Bogart in the heat. What the heck? Yeah, they're all tore up about it. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna get out here and see if I can't get my old tractor started up, get my front end loader right here. I got a bunch of snow I need to remove off the driveway so we can get around and make me a little trail back and forth to the shop, first one thing and another, and just get her done. Yeah, don't look too bad there. Shoot, yeah. Yeah, you got a pretty decent snow pile there. Yeah, it'd be kind of interesting to see how long that thing hangs around. Boy, this ain't something you see every day. We got snow on the ground and it's foggy. Check that out. Crazy. Well, alrighty guys, I guess that's enough playing in the snow. See y'all later. Y'all have a good one.